Okay, back again live. Back to the back at the ARRI lighting booth again with Mr. Ryan Fletcher, who's the product manager for the LED products for ARRI. Ryan, welcome to the February Freeze.
Thank you very much.
I understand you're from beautiful downtown Burbank.
I am, yes.
Excellent. So
excellent.
How do you like minus 16 Celsius?
Frozen.
Excellent, excellent. Well, that's kind of why we do it.
Exactly.
So, yeah.
Good, appropriately named.
Yeah.
So, great.
Ryan, we interviewed John Gresh a little bit earlier, and he showed us a little bit about this new LED spotlight that you're going to talk about. So I'll turn it over to you, and
great.
Please tell us about this spotlight.
So we know that RE Fresnels are really workhorses of the industry. People tend to use Fresnels because of the versatility. You can spot them, you can flood them, you can use barn doors, you can shoot them through scrims, you can bounce them off of cards. It's a really versatile light. The problem with traditional Fresnels is that they're not very efficient. Now, LED products certainly are quite efficient, but you can't really get a good uniform type of light out of them. Usually you have multiple sources, you have to deal with multiple shadows, you have to take care of the barn dooring. There's a lot of concerns that you have, so it's hard to have both versatility and efficiency at the same time. So our main approach is that we want to combine all of the benefits of our light technology with our optic design in our traditional Fresnels with LED technology and the efficiency that you'd get. So what we're presenting here is actually a product concept. We're calling it for now the L series Fresnel concept. L is for LED, just like our T series is for tungsten, D series is for daylight. Yep. So the main features of it is that it really truly does spot and flood just like a traditional Fresnel. So if I hand this,
you got it.
And I will actually.
I'm going to try to stay
great.
with you.
Yeah. So you can see that it's a nice even Fresnel beam distribution, and you can spot and flood it 15 to 55 degrees. In addition to that, barn doors actually cut the light, which is pretty unique for an LED fixture. So I put these on here. Typical barn doors, these are used on our ST1 fixture. And you can see that just like with a traditional light, you can actually get a nice tight barn door cut, just as you would a regular Fresnel. So in addition to that, thanks. We all know that LED technology also provides certain benefits in terms of color rendition, color tuning, colorability. So inside this is actually a multi-chip engine. We're able to do some color effects. So if I hold this. So we can adjust the white light from tungsten to daylight, really quick, tungsten to daylight. It's DMX controllable or onboard control. And then you can also adjust in between. So anywhere from 2,000 Kelvin to 20,000 Kelvin. And we call our technology fully tunable white because you can also tune the plus-minus green shift. So in addition to once you set the color temperature you like, you can also add green in, plus green, or subtract green, and shift towards magenta. So you can really fully tune all attributes of the white light. We also have a color mode, so you can adjust the hue and saturation of the colors. So you can go through and find a hue that you like. And once you do, you can then take care of the saturation. So if I just go to something that looks good on camera, green, then we can actually pull that out and shift back to white or go back into green again. And inside here we even have a filter library, so you can select Roscoe or Lee filters. So you pick a swatch book first, and then you can actually flip through the different gels, and it tells you the name and number of your gel. And that's approximating a gel in front of a daylight source. If I push this again, changes it slightly, approximates it in front of a tungsten source, because the tungsten source has more red content, a daylight source would have more blue content. So the whole point is trying to make a fixture that behaves in a way and creates a type of light that we all know how to work with all the power, efficiency, and tunability benefits of LED.
Great.
So, great. Thank you very much.
Ryan, thanks very much. Thanks for coming to the Frozen North, and it's a great product.
Thank you very
thanks
much.
again.
Thanks.